Greetings everybody, Ken here, and today I'm going to be talking about the best sous vide machines. And you may be asking yourself, Ken, what does sous vide mean? And it's a French term for under vacuum, and a lot of people may refer to this as a immersion circulator, and it's a cool way to make lots of really yummy foods without having to use an oven. So today I'll be looking at the top sous vide machines and break them down by their features and benefits so you can get a better idea which one of these might be the best choice for you based upon your particular situation. And as always, I'll include links to each of these down below so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any of these that you might be interested in. Also, if there are any coupon codes, special deals, discounts on any of these, I'll include that in the description as well. So when it comes to choosing a sous vide machine / an immersion circulator, they work by preheating a water bath to a specific temperature, and then food that's sealed in a container, usually a plastic food sealer bag, is lowered into that bath until it reaches the temperature of the water. It's not a fast process, but it makes some yummy treats. And so we tested a bunch of them, and the best overall sous vide machine that we came across was the Breville Joule Sous Vide, because if you're looking for a compact, high-tech sous vide machine that's powerful enough to get the water up to temperature really quick, well, then look no further than this. Aside from the ability to heat water to precise temperatures, there are a couple of features that set the Breville Joule Sous Vide apart from others. It's only just over a pound, 11 inches tall, so it's much smaller and easier to store. The Breville also has clearly put a lot of work into the app too. Not only does it allow you to monitor your meal, but it also has a visual doneness feature that shows you how your food looks as it cooks, so you can see exactly what's going on. When we tested it, we were very impressed that it allows us to cook steaks perfectly like a professional chef would, and it's definitely one of my favorite kitchen tools. The Joule connects with your phone via Bluetooth, and the app has more than 100 cooking guides, plus it works with Amazon Alexa, so you can cook with your voice too. Breville backs the product with a 1-year limited warranty, and if you're not completely happy with the Joule within 90 days of purchase, the company will give you a full refund. And this is a great option because it's small enough to fit in a cooking utensil drawer, has a magnetic bottom that keeps it in place in metal receptacles, and it's quiet while it operates too. However, keep in mind that you do need a phone and a Bluetooth or internet connection to be able to use it. So if you're looking for the best overall sous vide machine, then you might want to check out the Breville Joule Sous Vide because it could be a really wonderful addition to your kitchen. The best sous vide machine with onboard controls that we came across was the Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker, and it can be programmed through an app or manually on the device itself. In a world of sous vide machines, the Innova, along with the Breville that we mentioned before, are in a class of their own. When it comes to which of our two top picks are better, it's really a toss-up, so they're really two top picks. We gave the Joule the edge because it has a higher wattage and a smaller size, but the Innova Culinary model can be used manually without an app in case you want to put your smartphone away, which is something that the Joule does not allow you to do. The unit attaches to your container via ring clip, allows you to adjust the depth of the circulator to fit the container. The Innova has a temperature range of 32 to 197 degrees Fahrenheit, a timer that runs up to 99 hours, so talk about slow and low, and it can heat up to 5 gallons of water. That number goes up to 13 if you're using a lid, and the size is nice and compact with an easy read display, and it's also backed by a 2-year warranty. So if you're looking for another top pick for sous vide machines that has better onboard controls, then you might want to check out the Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker because it could be a good choice for you. The best budget sous vide machine that we came across was the Kitchen Gizmo Sous Vide Immersion Circulator. And unlike the other two choices, the Kitchen Gizmo Sous Vide Immersion Circulator doesn't have a Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity. You simply just set it up using the intuitive controls on top of the device, and this is ideal when you don't want to have to use an app. It's got an 800-watt motor that heats to temperatures up to 194 degrees Fahrenheit with a margin of error plus or minus a degree, and this particular circulator clips to the side of your container and can circulate up to 8 liters or a little bit more than 2 gallons per minute. So if you're interested in giving sous vide cooking a try and don't care if your cooker connects to a smartphone or any fancy thing like that, then the Kitchen Gizmo Sous Vide Immersion Circulator fits the bill there, and it's also really quiet too, which is a nice feature for immersion circulators. So if you're looking for the best budget sous vide machine, then the Kitchen Gizmo Sous Vide Immersion Circulator is likely going to be a good choice for you. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please feel free to leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate it. A good bit of digital validation feels oh so nice. And just a reminder, I'll include links to each of these products down below so you can check for updated pricing and availability for any of these that you might be interested in. Also, let me know any comments or questions you have. You know I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Interacting with people who share the same passions as me is oh so cool. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.